You spent 100 hours, maybe even 1,000 hours, making your portfolio literally perfect. You send it to your dream job and you hear nothing. Complete silence. It's insane and it makes you feel like you have no talent. But what if your skills aren't the problem? What if it's something crazier? Today, we're going through the absolute biggest mistakes that get your portfolio sent straight to the trash can. And I'm going to give you the secrets that will get your work seen by everyone. Let's get into the number one reason you're being completely ignored. Your portfolio is a beauty pageant, not a business proposal. The single biggest mistake I see 99% of the time is a portfolio that's just a gallery of pretty pictures. It's all sick, final designs. And look, it seems professional, but to a hiring manager, it's a giant red flag. And you'll never guess why. It's because it shows them nothing about your brain. These pros aren't hiring you to just click buttons. They're hiring you to solve insane, complicated problems. They need to see your entire process. They want the ugly sketches, the chaotic first ideas, the projects you failed at, and the moment it all clicked. They need to know why you made every single choice you made. So here's the fix. Stop showing them a final grade and start showing them a documentary of your thought process. Turn every project into an amazing story. Start with the problem, then take them on the journey. Show them the messy stuff, the bad ideas, and explain why you choose the final path. This is 10,000 times more valuable than a perfect final picture. It proves you're not just a designer, you're a genius problem solver. And then we move to the second big mistake. Your outreach is a shotgun blast, not a sniper shot. Okay, the second mistake that is killing your chances is sending the exact same portfolio to 50 different companies. You think you're being fast, but I guarantee you're getting your application deleted instantly. When a creative director gets a generic portfolio, it screams, I don't actually care about working for you. Every single company is different. They have their own brand, their own mission, and their own style. They want designers who don't just have skills, but who get what they are trying to do. Sending the same thing to everyone is lazy and it wastes their time. Here's the solution, and it's a game changer. Be a sniper, not a shotgun. Before you even think about hitting send, you need to do insane amounts of research. Go deep on the company, study their work, their style, and their team. Then you customize your portfolio just for them. Lead with the projects they would find the most interesting. In your email, mention a project of theirs you loved and explain how your skills could have made it even better. This one trick shows you're a pro who's actually serious about joining their team. And the third mistake, your portfolio is all style, no story. This last mistake brings it all together. You might have amazing designs. You might even show your process. But if you don't tell a story, you're making the reviewer do all the work. And I promise you, these people have zero time for that. A portfolio with no story is just a bunch of pretty pictures with no plot and no meaning. It's useless. Your portfolio has one job. Tell the story of how much value you bring. To do that, every project needs a beginning, a middle, and an end. The person hiring needs to understand in seconds what the challenge was, what you did, how you navigated it, and what the mind-blowing result was. Without that story, your work is just a pile of pixels. So here's how you fix it. You become the narrator. Structure every project like a movie. Use giant, simple headlines: the problem, my process, the solution, the outcome. Use short sentences to walk them through it. Explain the insane challenge you faced and how you beat them. And if you have any data or numbers that prove the project was success, you absolutely have to include it. When you do this, you're no longer just a designer, you're a strategic monster they literally cannot afford to lose. Alright, if you do these three things, you will completely change the game. 1. Stop showing off, start showing your thinking. 2. Stop the generic spam and start targeting companies like a sniper. And 3. Stop showing silent pictures and start telling an incredible story. Now, if you're serious about taking your portfolio to the next level and want my guidance, click on the card above to watch the video with the detailed information about my one-on-one mentoring program. We'll talk about your goals, your design style, and how to make your portfolio truly stand out. Your portfolio is the most powerful tool you have to build your dream career. Use it to prove how you think. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the single biggest, most frustrating problem you're facing with your portfolio right now? Drop in the comments below. I'll be reading every single one, and your struggle might just be in my next video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, and drop the like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.